13?
18.
18? Not that it matters. Is the pH high? Is the CO2 low? And is the bicarb also low? Yes. Awesome, awesome? Awesome. What? Got a problem? What the problem is? All right, so finally we're going to get around this anion gap thing. The anion gap is actually incredibly easy if you pay attention right now. Okay. It's also on your worksheet. Okay? If you get this, you got it. Okay. So an anion gap basically is saying what we're doing is we're measuring, or we're representing anions that just aren't, anions being negative, right, that aren't measured typically. First thing you should know about anion gaps is if I am asking you or anybody's asking you about an anion gap, you better be talking about metabolic acidosis. Because other than that, we don't really care. Okay? So that's the first rule. You better be talking about metabolic acidosis. Okay? The other thing is that we know we have a metabolic acidosis, and we want to figure out if somebody has an anion gap. Since we know normally our number is going to be between 10 and 12 that we're looking at, our general rule is it more than 12? Yes or no? Okay? And that's going to say whether we have an anion gap or not. Okay? So, if you do a blood sample, right, and you're pulling out sodium, potassium, bicarb, chloride, calcium, phosphate, whatever, you're pulling all this stuff out of there, right, in that blood sample, you need to know that there's only three things you even care about if you're talking about anion gap. Your biggest positive in your blood sample, which is sodium, minus your two biggest negatives in your blood sample, which is bicarb and chloride. Okay? Now your typical sodium level is going to be somewhere around 145-ish, give or take. Okay? Typical bicarb level, you know, is going to be somewhere around 24-ish, give or take. Yes? Typical chloride level will be somewhere around, I don't know, 100-ish, give or take. So if we take these numbers that I gave you, and I have 145, that's what my sodium level was in the blood when we tested, and I minus 100, I'm going to come up with
55.
Come on, this isn't calculus. 45 minus 24, and that's going to come out to 21. Is 21 higher than 12? Yes. So we have an anion gap. Technically, we actually have a high anion gap. Okay? That means something is eating up our bicarb in this case. Okay? Even though our bicarb happens to be at a normal level in this case, because the other things were thrown off, that's telling us something's eating our bicarb. All right? Now, what, yes?
How do we know it's the bicarb, not the chloride?
Because that's the rule. It's just one of those things that somebody came up with. I don't know how they came up with it. Probably more advanced math than this. But yeah, that's what they say. They say that if your chloride is not increased, and something must be eating up your bicarb. Okay?